hello, good wishes to everyone. Dear students, see today in this session we are going to see about degrees of comparison. What? Degrees of comparison, that is adjective comparison, right? See, first what is adjective? Yes, see before we are studying these things, we should know what is adjective. Yes, already I taught you that, already we discussed about that adjective. So let us recall that. So what is adjective? See, adjective, it qualifies a noun or describe a noun. Yes, it always qualifies a noun or that is describe a noun. Yes, so adjective, that is defined as, it is used to qualify a noun, that is evaluate a noun, right? So that is the adjective, and we are going to see about what? Comparison. Yes, comparison of adjective, that is degrees of comparison. We are having that 3 degrees. What are they? See, positive degree, that is comparative. Yes, comparative degree, and superlative. Yes, so positive degree and comparative degree and superlative degree. And adjective, that is types. It consists of 5 types in this comparison. Yes, 5 types. How many types? 5 types. See, what are they? Higher level, lower level, same level, highest level, lowest level. See what it means. That is what it means. That's what it refers to. What does higher level mean? See, higher level mean. See, let me see one example like this. See here. See, this is the, that is edge point, that is end point, right? So this is the 0 level, right? And see, first let us see one by one. It is higher level, right? Higher level. So higher level, I'm putting 75%. So this is the higher level, right? So 75% is the higher level. Next, lower. Yes, lower level. So lower level means, see here, it is 30%. So 30% is a lower level. Yes. Then same level, that is equal. Yes. See, not higher, not lower. That is equal. Yes. So 50%. Let us take 50%. Yes. So equal. That is, they are equal. Same level, right? Next, highest level. That is highest. It may be more than 100%. Yes. So more than above. That is above 100%. So let us put, that is highest 100%. So 100%, highest level. Lowest level, that is very average, below average, right? The rating will be very low. That is the lowest level. So this, see here, 0%. So this is the lowest level. Yes. So these are all the ratings of that level, right? So these are all the ratings. Yes. So this will into the, this will shows that levels, right? So higher level means that is maximum. Yes. So 75%, right? Lower level. Yes. So 30%, not very lowest, and that is below average. Yes. So lower level. So 30%. Same. Yes. That is same level means equal. 50% is, so not higher than, not lower than. Yes. Next, highest, maybe more than, that is above 100%. So higher, that is 100%, right? Next, lowest level. So below average or average. Yes, that is the lowest level. Yes. So compared to other level, that is the very lowest one. Yes. So that is the difference between lower level and lowest level. So that is 0%. So very low. Yes, very low compared, while compared with other. Yes. So while comparing with other level, it is the very lower, that is lowest level. That's it. So these are all the 5 types. That is 5 types in adjective comparison, right? So let us see the degrees of comparison. Yes. So there are 3 degrees. What are they? Positive, comparative and superlative. So positive, comparative and superlative. So let us see one by one. See positive. See positive means, already I said that. See same level. So positive means what? It is same level. Yes. Next, comparative. Unequal. That is not equal, and that is unequal, right? See, it is always unequal. So comparative, unequal. Superlative. See, superlative means single out. That is, single out means more than one. Not it always is not in single. Yes, more than one only it always contains, right? So superlative. So positive. Let us see the example. Look at the example. Ram is very tall. It should be a one that is single, always a single person or a single thing, right? So only one we should use. That is one person. It may be a person or a thing or anything. So we should use only one. So Ram is very tall. So it should be a single word, right? So Ram is very tall. Yes, tall. Yes, very tall. We are explaining about the only one person. Yes, the concerns persons or that is manner. Yes, that is a mannerism or his performance here, his activities. Yes, so whatever it is, we are explaining about the concerns person, right? It's a single persons, right? The Ram is very tall. The Ram is very tall. Next, the weather is too cool. The weather is too cool. Yes, we are mentioning what? Only cool, not cooler, coolest. We are not comparing here. This is the positive. It's like a simple sentence, right? So the weather is too cool. That's it. Yes, we are explaining the situation, what is going on now, right? So the weather is too cool now, at present, right? So it is a simple sentence. Not here we are not comparing with any other one, right? So this is the simple sentence. So Ram is very tall. The weather is too cool. That's it. So we are going to compare in comparative and superlative, right? So comparative, while hearing this word itself, you can understand that comparative. We are going to compare with other, right? See, the Eiffel Tower is taller than the Qutub Minar. The Eiffel Tower is taller than the what? Qutub Minar, right? So taller. The Eiffel Tower already is the biggest one. Yes, the Eiffel Tower is that is taller than the Qutub Minar. Yes. So when comparing with Qutub Minar, the Eiffel Tower is very tall. So this is the meaning of this sentence. Yes. Yes. So the Eiffel Tower is taller than the Qutub Minar. So Qutub Minar, while comparing with Qutub Minar, that is Eiffel Tower is very tall. Yes. Here they are insisting that, right? So the Eiffel Tower is taller than the Qutub Minar. See the next one, superlative. See, superlative degree. This is the single out one. Yes, this always refers what? Single out. More than one. So the bat is the smallest mammal in the world. So the bat, you know that bat. Yes, it is the smallest mammal in the world. Smallest, very, that is, already we have seen that that's 0%, very lowest one, below average, right? So that is very smaller, than other, right? So the bat is the smallest mammal in the world, right? So we are, see, here they are insisting that it is very small, very low, yes? So it is, they are comparing with the lowest one, that is average, very low, yes? Then next example, look at the example. This is the tallest building in Chennai. So while comparing with other building, this is the very tallest building. Very tall, that is very height. Yes, they are comparing that is other building. With the other building they are comparing. While comparing with the other building, this is the tallest building in Chennai. Yes, so especially in Chennai, yes, while comparing with other building, this is the tallest building in Chennai. So what they are insisting here means very tall, tallest. So that is above average. Yes. See here, that is 100%. Here they are insisting what? 100%. Yes. So they denoting what? 100%. Right. So these are all the degrees of comparison. Yes. So once again I am repeating to recall you. So what is adjective first? See, adjective always qualify a noun. It describe a noun. It explain a noun. Right. It evaluate a noun. Yes. So that is adjective. And comparison. See, qualifies a noun and compare the quality and quantity. So what it will compare? It will compare the quality and quantity of other. See, whatever we are comparing, whatever it may be a thing or a person, we are going to compare what? That is quantity or a quality, right? So according to the thing, right? So the quality and quantity of two or more things or person. It may be a thing or a person, right? So whatever it is, we are going to compare according to according to the personality. Yes, according to the personality, we are going to compare. So it qualifies a noun and compare the quality and quantity of two or more persons or a thing, right? See, it consists of 5 types. Yes, that is comparison of adjective consists of 5 types. See there, higher level, lower level, same level, that is equal, that is moderate, right? So highest level, lowest level. So higher level denotes what? Higher level denotes 75%, right? Then lower level, that is 30. Then same level, that is equal, 50-50, right? So 50%. Next, highest level, it may be more, above 100% or 100%, right? The highest rating, 100%. Next, lowest, that is below average, very, very lowest one. So below average, that is 0%. Let us take that 0%, right? It will always denote like these ratings, right? So these are all the 5 types in comparison of, that is comparison of adjective. And see, degrees of comparison. We are having 3 degrees in our hand. See, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Yes, positive means what? It refers to what? Same level. So positive degree always refers to same level. And comparative, it refers to unequal level. Unequal, right? Not equal, unequal. Yes. Then superlative, it is single out. That is more than one. It will always be like a, that is more than one. It will not like a single one, right? So that is superlative. So these are all the examples, right? So see, positive, it's like a simple sentence. It will not compare with any other one. Yes. So this is not a comparing sentence. This is the simple sentence, right? Then comparative, yes, of course, exactly. We are going to compare with others. That is the comparative. So taller than, bigger than, smaller than, larger than, younger than, older than. So we are always used to compare with any other, right? So in comparative degree. Next, superlative. This is more than one. That is single out. Yes, it is always more than one, not in a single manner. That is single person or a single thing. So the bat is the smallest mammal in the world. So smallest. We are denoting here what? That is more than one. Yes, see here, just we are comparing. Yes, it may be that is the single or unequal, right? And here always it will be what? That is more than one, not a single one. Yes, so always in the highest position in superlative, right? So these are all the degrees of comparison. Yes, so adjective comparison, and for comparing with the others, we will use what? Mostly then. That is THAN, not THEN. So then is also considered as a, that is comparison. Yes, so while for comparing we will use always. Yes, we use always what? Then THAN. See here, THAN. This is the most common word. Yes, we will use for what? While comparing. Yes, in the situation of comparing, we always use what? Then. Yes, see, you should keep remember as this. Yes, so always keep it in your mind. So then is used for what? Comparing with other, right? So I hope you have understood. Just capture it and recall it. Yes, go through once. So whatever we are learning, just go through it. Yes, so thank you, students.